Hey guys, so you've probably clicked on this video because you're wondering if Webull is a legit app, if it is a scam, if it's worth your time and worth your money. And as someone who's used the platform for over a year, I'm going to tell you what my experience has been like and what you should know before creating an account with Webull. So there's a lot of different investment platforms out there right now and so much competition in the market. A lot of companies really competing for your money and your time, and you just download the app and invest with them. And Webull is one of the top ones available. It's getting a ton of attention, a lot of traction in the App Store. So many people are investing with Webull, and there's some good reason for it. Webull is a trusted investment app. They've been around long enough now to be established and for people to really have all the information out there about them that they could possibly want to make a decision. They offer 2 free stocks when you sign up for your account, which my affiliate link is going to be down in the description. If you don't have an investment platform and by the end of the video you still feel like you want to invest with Webull, check out that link down in the description. You'll get 1 free stock for signing up and getting your account approved, just getting your account approved, and your second free stock, which is usually the one that is higher value, you get more money with that one. You get that free stock after you deposit $100 into your account. You don't have to spend that $100, you just have to deposit it. So that's a really cool way to get 2 free stocks without having to invest anything, but you do need to have $100 available to do that after your account is approved. And that's the way I recommend signing up for an account. So when I first signed up for Webull, I was not sure how to invest at all. I knew pretty much little to nothing when it came to investing. I didn't know how to start. I didn't know what to invest in. I didn't know how to do the research. It was kind of worrisome, but I made a few really good decisions when I started so that I wouldn't be at risk with this platform or really any investment platform. Because when you sign up for investing, if you don't know anything about it, then it can be really tricky, and it can also be very scary at times because we're dealing with real world money and there are real world consequences attached to that. So after I got my 2 free stocks, which I was super happy with, I was glad to have gotten the stocks. What I did was I sold them, and what I should have done was kept them because those stocks ended up growing quite a bit over the course of the year. You can sell them, like I said, and transfer that money right into your bank account, or you can hang on to them and watch them grow, which is what I recommend doing because at the end of the day, it was free stocks that they gave you. So if you gain anything, then that's a huge plus. And if you lose anything on them, say they decrease in value over the course of a year, then it was free stocks to begin with. But I sold mine and I wish I had kept them. But what I didn't understand at the time was that I could also be trading without any risk whatsoever. So after I created my account and deposited my $100 and got my free stocks and started investing, I invested that $100 fairly quickly into some stocks that did amazingly well over the year. What I found out that you can do is you can do paper trading, which is trading with fictional money just to see what would happen. And so that's a pretty cool feature that they offer. You can trade and you can do these simulated trades just to see the growth over the course of however long you're interested in keeping up with that. So that's a really cool risk-free way to test out investing. They also have amazing tutorials and guides to help you get started. They have a lot of learning materials out there that they've created, and it's really professional stuff. They make it to where if you're brand new to investing, after you create your account, there's so many tools to help you invest and to help you get started with learning how to, that you don't have to worry much. So I was very impressed by that. And that was something that I found to be really a nice extra from them. What I recommend that you do, and it was something that I kind of looked into because I was able to do this myself, knowing nothing about stocks, is when you sign up for your account, sign up for a cash account. I cannot stress how important that is, especially if you're new to investing, because a cash account means you can never spend more money than you have in your account. A market account means that you're buying almost, think of it in terms of like credit with the promise to pay later, and you can really get into some trouble with that, especially if you're new to investing. But signing up for a cash account is fairly safe. You're setting your account up to where you're only able to spend the amount of money that you deposit. If I deposit $100 into my account, that's the only amount that Webull will allow me to spend. They will not even let me buy stocks over that amount. So what I mean by that is when I go to place an order for stocks, it has a little slider bar that allows you to drag to how many ever you want to purchase. And I always just drag it over to the very end if I'm wanting to spend the maximum amount that I have in my account, and they won't let you spend more than that. That's what's really cool, is with a cash account, you cannot overspend. It's entirely up to you. If you're a more risky type of person, go for that market account, but I recommend the cash account for just about everybody. That's what I use, and I've never had issues with it. I also like the fact that there's no fees whatsoever when you're trading with Webull. Unless you purchase like upgraded statistics and all this other stuff, they do offer some upgrades, just like every stock platform in the world offers upgrades. I think the free materials that they offer and the free statistics and everything are more than enough. I cannot even imagine what the benefit for me would be to pay for all of this extra stuff, because the free information, free tools that are given to you on Webull are plenty. I've never needed more than that. So I really do think that it's a platform that's offering so much more than other free platforms. They do offer some upgrades if you want it, and they're not even that expensive. I mean, for a couple dollars a month, you can buy some of these upgrades, but I've never seen the need for it. And I think probably 90% of the people that I know or more use the free tools and are doing just fine with that. The one negative thing that I really do want to talk about here is those free stocks. And I know what you're thinking, oh, those must be terrible because you're talking about them as a negative. The negative part though is when you sign up for your account, I don't think that Webull makes it clear enough that you have to deposit $100 to get the second free stock. So that's my major gripe with the free stocks, is that when you sign up, I mean, they're giving you free money, so you can't complain about that. But when you sign up, it's easy to get that first free stock because your account just has to be approved. And for most people, it takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for your account to be approved. So if you're wanting to buy stocks immediately, no platform out there is going to let you jump on and just start buying stocks. You have to go through an approval process so they can make sure that you are who you say you are. So if you're thinking about buying a stock this week or this upcoming week, go ahead and look at creating an account now, because it does take a day or two to get approved. That being said, after you've got your first free stock, I don't recall them really explaining well that you have to deposit $100 to get your second free stock. I'm telling you right now that that's what you have to do. So have $100 ready to go just to put into your account. You can transfer that back into your bank account if you don't want to invest it after you get your second free stock. I recommend starting off with $100 to invest anyway. I get that question so many times from my students and from people watching my videos. How much is a good amount to start with? $100 is perfectly adequate to get started investing, because it gives you a chance to really try out investing without the risk of losing too much money. I'm not saying $100 is not a lot of money. I'm just saying I would rather lose $100 figuring out how to invest than $10,000, you know? But the paper trading is there to help you out with that as well if you just want to learn. To get those free stocks though, make sure that you're depositing $100 after your account has been approved. So that's my major complaint, which at the end of the day is not that big of a deal. But I wanted to make this video to tell you, yeah, Webull has lived up to every expectation that I had. The people that I know who use it also have really had a great experience using Webull. I'll continue to use it as my one and only investment platform because I've got cryptocurrency trading on there, I've got stock trading, it's all in one place. And I like that, keeping it simple. But no, Webull is not a scam. It's actually one of the most trusted investment platforms available right now. They're a massive company doing extremely well, and I don't think we're going to see them go anywhere anytime soon. I think they're actually going to end up dominating the market of mobile investing, and that's just my opinion. At the end of the day, all of this is my opinion, so take it however you will, but I personally do recommend Webull. They are not a scam. They're 100% a legitimate company. You can trade 100% fee-free, meaning that you never have to pay anything to Webull, the platform, unless you want to. There are those options where you can pay extra and things like that, but you don't have to. I've traded for over a year now, made quite a bit of money with Webull, and I've never paid a penny to them. In fact, if you think of the free stocks that they give you for signing up, they've paid me. So yeah, I do recommend Webull, but let me know if you have any questions down in the comments section and I'll help you out. Be sure to use that link that I put in the description to sign up for your account, because there are so many links out there, and I will tell you a lot of them are not legit. A lot of those links will take you to the Webull website and not give you those free stocks. My links are 100% accurate and 100% updated. I make sure that they're updated so that you guys get the best deals possible. So you will get your free stocks if you sign up and deposit your first $100 and you use that link down in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you love learning about personal finance, investing, and how to get more and save more of your own money. And I'll see you guys later.